Hello bestie, let me show you how to make shawarma at home. After watching this video, you stop buying shawarma outside because it is actually very simple to make, honestly. So I have 3 cups of flour in my bowl, 1 tablespoon of yeast, half tablespoon of salt, then 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder, and baking powder is actually optional. Then I mix it together thoroughly. I mix all the powder ingredients. Then I go in with a cold water, just ordinary room temperature water. You'll be pouring it little by little because you don't want your shawarma breast to be too watery. Yes, you can see how I'm adding the water little by little. You don't want it to be too watery. Then you mix it very well to be very smooth and soft without any lumps. You can see how it looks like. Not too watery and not too thick. The next thing you want to do, you cover it with nylon to rest for some minutes. Yeah. Okay, so after resting it for some minutes, this is what you will get. You can see how it looks like now. Next is to make our shawarma bread. Put a pot on the fire. You can make use of frying pan. Just make sure what you are using is round bottom flat like this. Make a small quantity and spread it in the pot to be flat, as you can see how it is. After some seconds, you turn it back the way you see I turn it for the other side to also steam. Don't let your shawarma bread to burn. Yes, you don't want it to be too burnt or too brown. This is how it should look like. You can see it's ready like this. This is how shawarma bread being made. You can see how beautiful, yummy it look like. So this is how you continue doing your pattern till you finish making your shawarma bread. So after finishing making your shawarma bread, the next thing you want to do is to make your shawarma. The first thing we did is making the shawarma bread. So now in another bowl you have your shawarma fill in. So here I'm adding my mayonnaise. In my next video I'll be showing you how I make my mayonnaise myself. Homemade mayonnaise, very simple to make. So I had my mayonnaise to my fill-in shawarma. So in my this fill-in shawarma, I have cabbage, carrot, egg, onions. I have my chicken prepared in another bowl separate. You can add everything together and mix it the way you see how I'm mixing it. But for my own, I made my chicken separate. So now the next thing you want to do is to fill in. Add the shawarma filling like this, the way you see how I'm putting it. You will make sure you put it at the middle or one side of the shawarma bread. Then you gently fold it like this. You see the way I folded it, and you seal the tip with the mayonnaise. You can also use egg to seal up the mouth of your shawarma bread to avoid it from being opening and pouring. So this is how you continue till you finish filling all your shawarma bread. So after that, the next thing I want to do is to wrap it with foil paper like this. You can make use of ordinary paper if you don't have foil paper to wrap yours like this. The next thing you want to do is to put it in your air fryer. You can make use of oven, you can make use of pot. So now you put it in your air fryer for the filling to steam together with your shawarma bread. Yes, so give it some minutes for it to steam, and after that, this is what we'll get. Our shawarma is ready. See how beautiful, yummy, nice it looks like. Thanks for watching. Kindly help me to share this video. See you in my next video.